welcome to my channel. My name is Alicia for those who are tuning in, and welcome back to everybody else. So I know I have a very colorful look today. If you guys didn't know, it is Pride Month. It's usually celebrated in the month of June. However, I believe it should be celebrated every day. This is probably like my 1 or 2 looks I've ever done for Pride, only because the flag incorporates these colors, right? 1, it's very bold. 2, it represents pride. I tend to get very, I wouldn't say uncomfortable, discouraged when it comes to very bold, bright colors. What? I tried my best with this look. As you can see, I incorporated the colors of the flag onto my eyes. I basically did a rainbow effect from this side all the way to the deeper colors, and I mirrored the bottom of my eyes with the corresponding colors, added a pop of glittery highlight in the center. Oh, I got freaked out, didn't know what that was, but it's probably the 100 bobby pins that I have in the back of my hair that just fell to the back of my chair and probably all over the place now. For this look, I layered colors after colors. I incorporated a few of the JUVIA'S Place palette, of course my favorite LORAC, and of course some highlights and shimmers is the HUDA Beauty palette. I went softer on the bronzer. I did apply on more blush. Actually, I never really do put blush on, but for this look, because it's so bright, bold, and beautiful, I really wanted to incorporate blush, some full dramatic lashes, and I applied on the highlight pretty high and into like my hairline and temple, because this is a beautiful pride look. Not saying on me, but I'm just saying these colors and just representing pride, it's just a beautiful thing. So if you guys are interested on how I created this look, then please keep on watching.
it one day at a time. Keep it shining like the stars we see above. I wanted to be here by my side, my tropical love. I wanna leave it all behind. Sailors, it's just you and I, exploring hidden caves or surfing waves into the night on the beaches of Hawaii. Drinks in Ibiza, anywhere you wanna go, baby, you just let me know. Sunny Indonesia, don't say no. Sipping on tequila, anything you wanna see, be there in a heartbeat. Just say the words and we can go. We've got just one life, baby, so live it up, take it one day at a